request the parents kindly accompany their child for special awards. Most cheerful. Higashijima Ryuji. Once again, most cheerful, Higashijima Ryuji T.
Sabi ko na nga ba yun yung mother niya kanina.
Kamukha niya. Hindi mo alam niya. Tignan mo niya alam niya Sulit na siya.
Most cheerful, Padilla James Nathaniel. Most punctual, Ravenna Andre Carlsten.